It's Kurt from the Honeyest One. We just got a swarm, rainy day, at the same elementary school we were at last year. Somebody in this area must have beehives that they're not taking care of, because this is the second time I've been here in the second year that we caught a swarm, and I'm pretty sure that someone close by has a hive that they're letting swarm every year. This one was up a little higher than normal, and the school let me use a ladder. I had to use the bucket to shake them into the bucket, and then I brought it down, and I did that a couple of times. It was, all in all, it wasn't a bad day. So, and it's voting day today. Did you get out and vote? Did you? Okay, see you later.